Thursday, September 12th, 2023. Yeah, back at the dacha. So another short work day. I don't plan to work too long. I need to teach in the afternoon, so I figured I'd come here in the morning and do some work. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you what I got planned. Today I plan on finishing up this pile right here. I need to cut these boards into width and get them into this stage like this. And then if I have time, I need to start sizing them up. So making my trim cuts. For example, let's say this one right here. This one has to be cut into the right size. And then if I do have time, this right here is the junk pile or the firewood pile right here. So also cut them up into the right lengths and pile them up. So that is my goal. Whether I complete it or not, I don't know, but at least I have a little bit of a plan. And even if I work and get half of it completed, that's still a bonus. That's moving forward. Anyways, I got to get my table saw ready and plug it in and start working away. All right, let's go get everything ready. All right, I got everything all set up and the sun came out. And there it is. It's a little bit more windy than it was yesterday and a little bit more cloudy. Let's check it out here. Well, we got all that blue sky right there, but it's a little bit cloudy on that side. But the weather forecast says that no rain for today, so that's going to be good. And what's the temperature like? Let's go take a look at the temperature. Okay, the temperature is around 15 degrees, just a little bit above 15 degrees Celsius. So that's good. And we're going to be working away in some nice weather today. All right, let's start it up and let's start cutting that lumber over there. Okay, everything is all cut. Here it is. Didn't take too long. It's only about 15 minutes. So what I got to do now is, these are the long ones and these are the shorts. And what I need to do is cut them to length. So I got to just move everything over and open up Mad Max and start measuring away and cutting my lengths. All right, let's go to work. All right, I got everything moved. I got Mad Max opened up. I brought the wheelbarrow over. This is for the trim ends, the pieces that I'm going to cut that won't fit the grade. Got everything separated, shorts and longs. And I'm ready to start cutting into my lengths. So shorts and longs are going to start being produced right now. Okay, so I've been cutting all my pieces to length. I'm going to show you what I did. Okay, here they are. And we have enough for 1 lattice, 2 lattices, 3 lattices, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I need 15 pieces of the shorts, and I usually go 16 or 17. And I need 5 pieces, and I usually have 1 extra one. So I have a few extras so that if one breaks or just one doesn't look good, I can throw it away and I still keep my count. So there it is. That is my production for today. So as I'm cutting my pieces into lengths, I'm getting kindling. So these are the perfect lengths, and these are the ones that are too short and they don't stack too well. So there's only like what, maybe a quarter to a third of a wheelbarrow load. So I figured, you know what, I'm going to finish off the wheelbarrow load with this right over here. Just quickly cut them up, and that way I'll get 1 wheelbarrow load. Usually 1 wheelbarrow load lasts me about a day, depending on how long that I'm here. So might as well carpe diem it, seize the day. Why give up with only a third of a wheelbarrow load? You know, so this right here will take, I don't know, probably 5-10 minutes. Let's get her done. Okay, there it is. One wheelbarrow load of firewood, and they're all to length, and whatever doesn't fit the bill goes into this. And actually, old man Vova that lives next door, he's agreed, more than happy, to take all these little pieces. So yeah, I don't have to put them into a pile or whatever. They don't stack up nice, whereas this right here stacks up very, very nice. And as for Vova, he said that even though he has enough wood, he says he'll just burn this tonight or tomorrow or whenever. I don't know why, because in the evening it is still around 12-13 degrees, but I don't know, maybe he's going to save it for a colder day. Anyways, I did knock this pile down quite a bit. Okay, so it's about half the size. That's good. And now I got to start putting everything away. I also got to put these away right here. All right, let's get at it. Okay, all done, all cleaned up. I got Mad Max all covered up. Got the firewood put away. And that's it for today. Now I gotta rush home, take a shower, relax a bit, and I gotta teach. So that's that. Anyways, I feel very productive today that I cut up or trimmed enough pieces to make 6 lattices. And my goal is to make 20 lattices this winter. So I have 6 that are ready. They'll still have to be sanded and they'll have to be assembled. But the thing is, about 1/3 of it is already done and the weather is still nice and warm. All right, I gotta go. Take care and пока-пока.